Hey tech folks, how's it going? In this video, we're going to showcase some gadgets to enhance your car. All the products have links to Amazon in the first pinned comment. If you purchase through those links, you'll be helping us grow. Hope you enjoy. Let's get into the video. Teddy Bear Pilot Air Freshener. Girls will love getting into your car and finding the Teddy Bear Pilot. For girls who drive, boys will also appreciate finding you and your car smelling fresh. These car air freshener cute diffuser has silicone plug for easy installation. These cute car accessories women do not damage the. This car aromatherapy diffuser remains stable and do not fall easily. This essential oil air freshener car has small wind which can rotate. Flexible drill bit extension. We love tools, don't we? Even if we don't know how to use them. So, check this out. It can be bending, turn round and rotated at many different angles. It can be drilled into a small space, in a variety of gaps, help you solve more problems quickly. The inner shaft has a wide range of rotation. When inside shaft rotates, the flexible black casing protects your hands from hurt. Please keep the flexible drill not too high. TKDMR Battery Terminal Anti-Corrosion. Many times the battery is good, but the terminals are oxidized. The battery washers can prevent corrosion around the battery terminals, prolong battery life. For use with 6 and 12-volt battery, the color-coded for positive and negative terminals. JOYROM Wireless Car Charger. Phone mount for car wireless charger's base is equipped with a powerful suction cup and professional 3M adhesive, high temperature resistant. The base's suction cup has been tested thousands of times. It can absorb more than 20 pounds of objects without dropping. Even if passing speed bumps or driving on mountain roads, you don't need to worry about it falling. In addition, the bracket arm and clip are equipped with silicone pads for anti-slip and anti-vibration. Umiski Car Cup Holder Expander. The bracket is equipped with 2 storage cups by adjusting the rotatable base, small in size and large in capacity, for the purpose of saving car space, and can hold 2 drinks at the same time. Adapter works best with bottles / cups 3.0-5.9 in diameter, fits most 20-ounce water bottles. The cup body can be bounce off automatically, also can be closed automatically when the cup holder is not in use to keep your car clean. Pawboo Dog Safety Vest Harness. If you want to take your dog for a trip, it's important to keep him safe. The Pawboo prevents dogs from jumping out of the car window or moving around. Not only reduces the driver's distraction, but also protects dogs in case of a sudden stop. With seatbelt lead clip, this harness set keeps your dogs under control while still have some range of movement and flexibility. Kids Travel Tray. If you think traveling with a dog is difficult, you've never traveled with a child. Keep your little one engaged in drawing, eating, or playing during a road trip or a flight. Offer children a firm surface in the form of an infant travel tray for car to keep the stuff. Multiple pockets of children's travel tray store kids' essentials well within reach. Large surface with raised edges prevents crayons, pencils from rolling on the floor. See-through PVC pocket holds a smartphone. Car Cleaning Kit. Multi-purpose car cleaning gun can be used for car interior or exterior cleaning tools including door stoppers, wool/leather car upholstery, cup holders, dashboards, consoles, shifters, steering wheel door panels, carpets, floor mats, seatbelt pullers, wool tire surfaces, and more. It can also be used for plush toys, curtains, sofas, etc. Windshield sun shade. High-quality and durable sun blocker protects the dashboard electronics accessories of your car from sun damage. The best car window sunshade to keep your vehicle seats cool, and your hands will no longer be burned by the steering wheel. Febreze Car Air Freshener. No more having a smelly car. Febreze CAR cleans away odors and slowly release a light, fresh scent for 150 days. Low and under ambient conditions. Air compressor tire inflator comes with high-pressure inflation mode with automatic shutoff. Digital tire inflator has high-volume inflation and deflation modes. This pocket-sized dash cam supports max 2.7K 2592x1944p to capture crisp footage, and 1920x 1080p at 60 fps, which retains more details when paused or viewed slowly, especially in a fast-moving incident. This high-tech car camera connects to our free mobile app via Wi-Fi on Android or iOS smartphones, so you can view your camera live, download videos, track GPS data, change settings, edit, and share footage. The voice control function lets you control the dashboard camera with spoken commands, so you can keep your hands on the wheel and focus on driving. Drop Stop. No more dropping things between the seats. Drop Stop provides 100% gap coverage in front of, surrounding, and behind seatbelt catch. Drop Stop attaches to the seatbelt catch via built-in slot. Moves with the seat and no need to readjust or reinstall. As seen on Shark Tank, Drop Stop blocks that annoying yet ever so dangerous gap between your car or truck seat and center console. Newly upgraded touchscreen air pump with 18,000 mAh super power battery. It can work continuously for close to 1 hour, about 3 to 5 hours to be fully charged. Cordless, no need to connect charging cable/cigarette lighter when working. 4 preset modes for bicycle, motorcycle, car, and ball. Auto shutoff when the preset value is reached, easy to use. You can also set your own pressure value up to 150 psi to meet the inflation needs of more inflatables. Smoke visor guards for car side mirrors. Our car rear view mirror rain eyebrow is made of soft PVC plastic that is 100% soft and flexible. It will not break or deform easily and can meet your needs for a long time. The side mirror rain guard can be widely applied in most kinds of cars and vehicles, like trucks, buses, tractors, SUVs, motorcycles, and so on. Comsun Bluetooth receiver for car. This car Bluetooth adapter can be connected to non-Bluetooth car audio systems, home stereos, speakers, wired headphones via the 3.5mm AUX adapter, and equipped with a Bluetooth 5.0 chip for stable connection, fast transmission, wide signal range. Just pair it with your phone and start listening to your favorite music. Car vacuum cleaner cordless. Hufitwin's mini vacuum cleaner cordless is completely cordless, weighing just 0.7 lbs 330G. A bottle of water weighs. Cleaning is made effortless and storage is made simple. Crowfi Car Neck Pillow. Comfort your neck and shoulder while driving long time or long distance, which can support your cervical spine in different directions. Car seat neck pillow with 100% pure memory foam provides a great support for your cervical spine and head, help you maintain the correct posture in driving, and make your driving safer and reduce fatigue. Hand Pure rechargeable LED flashlight gloves. The ordinary flashlight gloves on the market are all replaceable battery-powered. But we know people hate replacing dead batteries. After hearing from our customers, we launched this pioneering rechargeable flashlight gloves. Stop spinning on batteries. Recharge and reuse the LED torch point 10-hour runtime upon a 2-hour recharge. The battery and LEDs can be removed from the gloves. Toss the fabric into the washing machine. No extra maintenance needed. Brake pedal lock. Our heavy-duty brake pedal lock, mainly suitable for small vehicles. Large vehicles such as large SUVs, off-road vehicles, pickup trucks, and trucks are generally not suitable. Vehicle brake clutch lock suitable height of the pedal is 100 to 160 millimeters from the ground, and the width of the pedal rod is 16 to 35 millimeters. Moco sunglasses holder for car. The sunglass holder for car is designed with magnet suction to keep your glasses in place. It also won't slip down when you need to pull down the sun visor. You can install the glasses clip on the front or side of the sun visor as your actual needs. It is designed with a simple spring clip to be attached to the sun visor with a flap and magnetic suction closure. Just open the flap, insert the sunglasses, and secure the flap with its magnet suction. Jataza Auto Screen. Effortlessly connect your smartphone wirelessly to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for a cable-free experience. Our wireless CarPlay is equipped with 2 cameras, which support HD night vision. And you can easily make and answer phone calls, listen to music, GPS navigation, integrating smart voice control via Siri and Google Assistant. And our car stereo is perfect for busy commuters, road trips, and staying connected on the go. Akipo Car Bling Crystal Engine Start. Made of premium zinc alloy material with 2 rows bling crystal rhinestone design, which is durable and sturdy. Exquisite design make it a gorgeous decor for your car interior, make your car more stylish and sparkling. Push Start Button Cover. Another tech-savvy option is this Tybathe Push to Start Button Cover adopts a new automatic lifting structure, built-in high-performance spring device, and the opening and closing response is more sensitive. The ultra-stable structure counteracts car vibrations without making noise. Bling Soft Leather Steering Wheel Cover. Our newly upgraded steering wheel protector is made of shiny rhinestones spliced with soft leather. When the sun shines on it, there are bits of color sprayed all around. This style can perfectly combine style and elegance. That's it, folks. Just a reminder, all the items have links in the pinned comment. Let us know what you'd like to see next, drop a like, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.